How to centralize Microsoft Teams backups across locations and formats. Most IT professionals don't realize it until it's too late that Microsoft doesn't back up Teams data, and that protecting this data falls entirely on them. In this video, we'll go over where your Teams data actually lives and how to build a backup strategy that covers everything. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Microsoft's native backup limitations. Microsoft operates under a shared responsibility model, which means they keep their infrastructure running and their services available, but protecting your data is on you. Teams does not provide a native, centralized backup and recovery solution for all Teams data types and integrations. Once retention periods expire in the Compliance Center, that data can be permanently deleted. Depending on the recovery method used, restoring a deleted channel may not fully recover all associated message history or conversation context. Where is Microsoft Teams data stored? Teams data is distributed across multiple locations and services, and no single Microsoft tool can cover all of it. This problem only grows as you add external tools and integrations, so keep this in mind when you choose a Microsoft 365 backup tool. You can see on the screen where each type of data is stored. How to back up Microsoft Teams files. Here's a practical 5-step framework to keep your Microsoft Teams chat history, files, and other data safe. Identify where critical data lives across your Teams environment, such as conversations, files, app integrations, and links to third-party tools. Choose a backup solution that can programmatically connect to Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, and OneDrive for Business, while also supporting any third-party applications that store Teams-related data. Automate your processes such as scheduling backups and configuring data retention policies for greater efficiency. Regularly test and verify that your backups are readable, recoverable, and capable of meeting your recovery objectives. A backup you've never tested is a backup you can't trust. Make Teams recovery part of your broader business continuity plan. You need to know immediately when a backup fails, and your audit records need to be there when compliance demands them. So make sure your backup solution is fully integrated with your monitoring and reporting tools. Third-party SaaS backup and Microsoft Teams compliance. Backing up Microsoft Teams isn't just about recovering lost files. Privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA require organizations to appropriately protect, secure, and manage personal data throughout its lifecycle. A third-party SaaS backup solution can address the gaps Microsoft leaves behind, centralizing everything from Exchange to OneDrive to external integrations. For more information, check out our official blog post on centralizing Microsoft Teams backups across locations and formats, linked in the description below.